Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of stock investing. If you're a beginner looking to get started on your investment journey, you have come to the right place. I will be sharing top 5 tips to help you navigate the stock market with confidence. So, let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Understand the basics of stocks. Before you jump into investing, it's essential to understand the basics. Stocks represent ownership in a company, which means that when you invest in stocks, you become a shareholder and own a piece of that company. So, take time to learn about stock terminology, market indices, and how stocks are traded. Tip number 2. Set clear financial goals. Before you start investing, define your financial goals. Ask this question to yourself. Are you investing for long-term growth, retirement, or short-term goals? Setting a clear goal can help you determine your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. One of the golden rules of investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Rather, spread your investments across different industries and sectors. This helps in reducing risks from market volatility. Tip number 4. Research and educate yourself. Knowledge is your best asset when it comes to investing. Research about the companies you're interested in, their financial performance and industry trends. Stay updated on financial news and consider learning from reputable sources. Tip number 5. Start with low-cost index funds. If you're just starting, consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds. These funds offer instant diversification by tracking a market index. They're a great way to begin, without having to pick individual stocks. And there you have it, our top 5 ideas and tips for beginner stock investors. Remember, investing in stocks requires patience, a long-term perspective, and continuous learning. Start small, stay consistent, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.